Manufacturing is the backbone of a strong nation. It is the engine that drives economic growth and prosperity. When a country makes things, it creates jobs. These are not just any jobs. They are often stable, well-paying jobs that can support families and build communities. A factory worker learns a skill. That skill allows them to earn a decent living. This creates a virtuous cycle. More people with good jobs mean more people spending money. This spending fuels demand for more goods and services, leading to even more growth and opportunity for everyone involved in the economic system. India has made significant strides in manufacturing. As of today, the nation stands as the 5th largest manufacturer in the world. This is a remarkable achievement. It reflects years of effort and policy initiatives aimed at boosting industrial production. The Make in India campaign, for example, has brought global attention to the country's potential. However, the story is not one of uniform success. A closer look at India's trade balance reveals a mixed picture. Some sectors are performing exceptionally well. India earns a positive trade income from industries like pharmaceuticals, refined petroleum products, and certain engineering goods. We are a pharmacy to the world. A key ingredient for a manufacturing boom is foreign investment. Fortunately, foreign direct investment has been pouring into India. Global companies are looking for alternatives to traditional manufacturing hubs, and India is a top contender. This influx of capital is not just limited to established sectors. New areas like renewable energy, electric vehicles, and defense manufacturing are attracting significant interest. To capitalize on this momentum, we must address our foundational weaknesses. The first is research and development. We cannot be a manufacturing giant by simply assembling products designed elsewhere. Another critical area is infrastructure. Goods must be able to move quickly and cheaply from factories to ports. While progress has been made with new highways and dedicated freight corridors, much more needs to be done. The path to becoming a manufacturing giant requires a clear and focused strategy. The government cannot do everything at once. It must work with states and industry to identify a few key sectors for targeted support. These should be areas where India has a potential competitive advantage or which are critical for national security. Sectors like electronics, defense, medical devices, and green energy are promising candidates. Once these focus sectors are chosen, policies should be designed to create a thriving ecosystem around them, from research and development and skill development to supply chain creation. Policy simplicity is crucial. For too long, our businesses have been tangled in a web of complex regulations and bureaucratic hurdles. We need simple, stable, and predictable policies. Success will depend on a collaborative effort. The central government and state governments must work in tandem. States should compete with each other not on offering bigger tax breaks, but on providing better infrastructure, skilled labor, and a more business-friendly environment. Ultimately, making India a global manufacturing leader is a long-term project. It is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires a sustained, integrated strategy that addresses all the moving parts: infrastructure, skills, technology, and policy. There are no quick fixes or magic bullets. It demands patience, persistence, and a relentless focus on execution. If we can bring these elements together, if we can forge a national consensus around this vital goal, India can indeed seize its destiny.